do this. What was that? That's a bit delayed, wasn't it? Right, one for the YouTube. Right, you clear? Everyone clear? Oh! Wait. Get it! Got it! Ah, where's that tree go? Oh yeah, boy!
Everywhere I go, there's a bunch of ice. Oh, good.
Ah, it's not scraggle there.
Mike, still got video? You good, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I wouldn't leave it there, mate. That's the end. Only broke up and stuff in the foot now.
Whoa, man!
Oh, hello, mate. Fuck, mate. I'm so fucking sorry, brother. You always feel better. Fuck me.
I felt my foot get hot then.
Mate, I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Let me just get this guy.
I'm in the zone.
No.
Well, don't hurt you. Woo! Huh? Do that, I need to come in. Oh! What the You killed me, bro! She's dead.